On Wednesday, Prime Minister Dr. Edouard Ngirente received Dr. Roy Steiner, Senior Vice President for the Food Initiative at the Rockefeller Foundation. Their discussions stressed on strengthening the school feeding project using fortified whole grain. Prince Manzi with more.
After the discussions with the Prime Minister Dr. Edouard Ngirente, the Senior Vice President for the Food Initiative at the Rockefeller Foundation, Dr. Roy Steiner, affirmed that Rwanda has made a remarkable step in addressing malnutrition.
Yes, we had a wonderful meeting with the Prime Minister and discussed the issue of shifting from refined grain to whole grain for school children. We know that fortified whole grains are much more nutritious. They actually save a lot of food itself, because when you refine grain, you're actually losing 20 to 30% of the volume and 90% of the nutrition. And if we want to really have healthy, happy, nourished children, providing them with fortified whole grain is one of the easiest and lowest cost way to do it, because this doesn't cost anything extra, and all these children are now able to really have a higher level of nutrition at their school lunches. So we're very excited by that. I think the Prime Minister really understood that. This is scientifically proven. It is something that can be implemented in Rwanda. And Rwanda is really where this idea started and is now being implemented in many other countries. So we're very proud that Rwanda has been this idea, and we now will have millions of children all over Africa and all over the world who are gaining access to fortified whole grain.
The Rwandan Minister of Education, Gaspard Twagirayezu, reiterates that the Rockefeller Foundation will highly contribute to the school feeding program in terms of nutritious quality and positively impacting efficient learning. We discussed on how this project can be strengthened and be introduced in more schools for students to have enough and nutritious food. We also discussed on how processors of the fortified whole grain can be skilled for the grains to be nutritious and efficient for students. The Rockefeller Foundation works closely with the government of Rwanda in various sectors, namely education, health, agriculture, and livestock.